What's good, Louis V family, man? Ooh, there we go. What's good, Louis V family? It's a good day, no cap. Busy day today. Gonna put out some lit content for y'all, no cap. But I'm about to head over to my bro house real quick, Busty crib. It was his birthday early this week. My birthday, you know what I'm saying? Today, no cap. Happy birthday, big 23. But I'm getting in the car. About to head to his crib, cause I got him. He don't even know, but I really got him a little birthday gift. No cap. I'm just that type of friend, you know what I'm saying? But they gonna pull up on a bro. I just got him. I gotta go drop off his birthday gift, cause his birthday was earlier this week on the 21st. Mine is April 29th. You know what I'm saying? Big Taurus gang, all that. But I got him. You know what I'm saying? I got him just little, little Supreme white tee, little t-shirts. Little white tees. Everybody needs some white tees. But really, I ordered them. I ain't even gonna cap. I ordered them for me, but I ordered the wrong size. So so instead of returning it, I was just like, I'm gonna just wait and just give them to the bro for his and just call it a birthday gift. But don't tell nobody I told you. And I just got the cut yesterday. Stop playing with me. Please stop it. I'm not one of them. I keep telling y'all this. Day in and day out, I'm not one of them. Stop it. But nah, I'm about to go pull up on the bro. I'll be back with y'all. No kizzy. No kizzy, no cap. Fam coming right now. Okay. I was good with it. That's yours too, fam.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Yeah, sir.
Happy birthday, fam.
Right, no,
no cap.
No kizzy.
No kizzy. Yeah.
That's my tough.
Oh, me. I ain't gonna lie. I ordered them for me, but I'm like, I ordered the wrong size.
Are they too small?
Yeah, so I'm gonna give him a busty. It be that just passed.
Oh, God. Oh, that
some
shit
white
lit.
tees, no
cap. What they say Supreme at?
On the like right here. It's just
oh, okay,
right
like some polo shit.
On some polo on me.
That
they
shit
took
tough.
I'm talking to the people, and I was just like, really, you know what I'm saying? I'm content with, not content. I ain't never content, but I'm like good. You know what I'm saying? Like you said, where I can, cause I ain't never.
Blessed.
Yeah, blessed. That at the end of the day, we blessed, bro. Cause I ain't never
beyond measure.
Beyond measure, bro. Like I just remember as a young dude, like back in the day, bro. I ain't never think I'd be at this point or experienced or did some of the stuff I done did.
Nah,
you know what I'm saying?
Sure.
Like it's crazy.
Nah, a lot of shit that we done did. Niggas ain't. Nigga, what?
That's wild.
That shit wild as hell.
It's a blessing, though. Like,
okay.
If somebody would have told me when I was younger, like, you would have did this, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
This gonna happen, you know what I'm saying? I would have never, I'd be like, wow, you playing.
Right.
I would have never thought.
Niggas would have never thought that. Like, not even just like, just on some, like, we didn't even think like that where we from. You could just be being kids on shit, trying to lie, nigga. Get some money.
Oh, that's facts. And it's crazy part is we still young though, like
hella young. This shit just the beginning.
That's what I'm saying. It's just the beginning. So it's just like it's about to really go up.
Niggas' mindsets is like continuously getting better and better and thinking about bigger shit.
That's what I'm saying.
More long term shit.
Exactly.
So yeah, we gonna be Gucci, nigga.
Nah, facts. Who's that calling? Bro, why you gonna wait till the video start to call? That's wild. But nah, you know what I'm saying? It was 23rd birthday, you know what I'm saying? Jordan year, all that. You only turned 23 one time, no cap. I was just thinking I might as well give myself a gift, you know what I'm saying? So I had to cop a new whip. I'm about to show y'all. Y'all probably could tell by the roof. I don't know, bro. But I had to cop a new whip. I hope y'all like it. It's something slight. I wasn't really thinking about it. You know what I'm saying? I just was like, I see this on TV here and now. Nah, I cap. You don't see it on TV. I see it on the internet, stuff like that. I seen a couple people drive it, so I was just like, I'm gonna go copy it. You think I should rap it though?
Yeah, put a smoke gray on that bitch.
Smoke gray.
But it's already fired up.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna do something to the inside. I'm gonna make it all black instead of like. Just cream, not cream, I guess, brown or whatever. But nah.
That's so tough for sure.
Yeah, it is tough. So whenever y'all want to come out and race, we can race. I don't even know if they can see that. Look, put that bit right here. We can race. We can race at any time. Got a rabbit roof. Put a screen up here. Oh, there you go. See? There's a little screen, whatever. It's wild. We better get this food though. Make over my sister Morgan. She said she's gonna take me out to eat for my birthday. No cap. Shout out to her. Be back with y'all though. Okay. I'm gonna show y'all what we get.
I ride with the game. I know niggas hate, so I ride with the flame. Back in the day, do anything to make a name. I can't have you around, cause I know these niggas change. We can't put 2 lanes when I ride with the game.
Cap.
I got on no shit, you can't name it. We stay dangerous, cause they wanna see me nameless. Wanna hold me down, cause they know that they can't tame them. Come around with that lane shit, new 40, it's gon' flame you. I get more and more, you can't find this in the store. New it's like the ocean, hit the gas, then I'll floor. I got a new fit, and a new 40, can't wait to blow it. Ain't gotta use it, I'm on a flight to board. I know niggas hate, so I ride with the flame. Back in the day, do anything to make a name. I can't have you around, cause I know these niggas change. We can't go 2 lanes when I ride with the game.
You're not upgraded to the front truck.
You know what I'm saying?
The hood up front, okay.
You know what I'm saying?
That's the
Trap, you know how I rock.
about to go get some food, bro. On the couch. They ate all day.
You know it. Heat check.
Hey, when you like the Tesla, you ain't even gotta press nothing. It just know when I walk off, it's locked.
Oh God.
Yeah, appreciate it, Morgan. No cap for the birthday dinner. Yeah, appreciate it. Good eats, no cap. Good eats. You said good eats. No cap. Look at the views. It really look like Oregon though. Everybody been saying they outside, me and the bro, we outside with it. No cap. We outside. We outside on the strip. Those kids just ate at a fire burger. It wasn't a burger place, but the burger I had was fire. It was like that little Hawaiian bread, I don't know, like y'all seen it before, but like it was busting, no cap. We about to find a plate off. So we get back with y'all in a bit, no cap. Bro, I had to let bro drive the whip for the one time. How you think it drive?
That bitch push.
It's smooth though, that's what I'm saying.
Right now.
That's what I'm saying, it's smooth, bro, that's what I'm saying.
Don't worry about it.
That's what I'm talking about.
Don't even feel it.
It don't even feel it.
I drive a truck, so I feel 50.
Yeah.
I don't feel it.
On me. So for me to buy this, it was good buys. It was cool.
You already know that. Shout out Elon.
Okay, yeah, shout out Elon. Okay. Alright, let's see what you gonna get up. Hold on, stay behind and let's see what you can get up to. Ain't nobody behind. Yeah. That's why I say this be the perfect road over here near the golf course. No cap. Alright, get up there. Okay. We up there. Ah, we gotta stop. We had to stop. We about to go to the little Tesla stand, bro.
Alright. Now when we go to what's called, we're gonna get to see it for sure.
Yeah, just pull up. Yeah.
Tesla Cruise.
Yeah, different than this is not the gas station. Yeah.
It's test station.
Just the test station. I think that's what they call it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. New car first charge. No cap. No kids. First time charging. The new baby. It's clean though how you charge it over here. You see nobody with Teslas. Way different from the regular gas station. It was a great birthday, man. Jordan year, big 23, man. No cap. Appreciate everybody who showed love and wished me a happy birthday. That's shout out y'all, no cap. But I ain't really get as much content as I wanted because you know it'd be hard to get content like while you're in the process of doing stuff, like, cause you be so busy and so much going on. But you made it this far in the video, man. I want you to know that I did not buy a Tesla. This is not my car. Me and my brother, it was our birthday weekend, so we just rented a car, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, in the future, one day I'm going to have a Tesla, though, because I just wanted to kind of test drive it out and see what it's like, because I ain't never drove one. I, like, rode in one, but I ain't never driven one. So I've been, like, test driving this one out, and it's looking pretty good. I ain't gonna cap. It's looking like I'm gonna get a Tesla for sure in the future now, no cap. It drives smooth and all that. But, I definitely did not get one right now, like what? But appreciate y'all for watching this video, and see y'all in the next video. No cap.